why do you need this training today? You are so happy your company has got you out. I mean, you are out of your work for 2 hours or 3 hours. When we do at resorts, you are out over there on a vacation, holidaying, having cocktail parties. You know, you don't need wellness. You don't need to understand emotional intelligence. Your emotion is at the peak at this point of time. But the idea is, you know, that whatever you learn, you are able to bring that knowledge in times when you need it the most. And the view that we have in the world, you know, political views, geopolitical views, economical views. When everyone becomes a finance minister during the budget, right? Everyone is opinionated. Information is everywhere. I can read information from any website, any blog, and I can give my views about it. Those desires are created by the idea. It does not have a rationale. It does not understand that I have to spend this much money. It is irrational. Say, I say 100 ml water in this. What are your guesses? 150?
152.
152. Now what has happened is, it might not be even 50 ml. I have anchored your thought into the number of 100. So the first answer came was 150. The second answer came was 152. I have deliberately anchored your thought on that number of 100. So the ego does the balancing work. The ego says yes, ego listens to the super ego. It says yes, I know this is right, this is wrong, but still we have to do it. Right? Let us find out a way. Now tell me, in every decision, you know, critical decisions that come into your life, don't you go through this dilemma? Yeah? You know, there's at one end, I need to do this, it's important, I want this. You know, you have this internal need. At the other end, you feel that you might be walking over, you might be burning some bridges, you might be walking over some people, you know, you might be spoiling some relationships. But how do you bring a balance? That thought that tries to bring the balance within you is the ego. Right? These are the kind of negotiations we do, right? We also, within ourselves, we have an ego that tries to pacify the child by doing negotiations. You want a higher salary? Work hard. You want a better house? Save. You want a better relationship? You know? Official you know, spend time with the person, build trust, build harmony, respect.